Have nowhere to put your dangling external storage because it's needed and your PS5 memory is full? Then hang along to see me design and make a solution for this annoying problem. Now big up to the community for their take on the external drive holders, but I can make them even better. And what I mean by better is, most SSD or hard drive holders only have one section to hold one drive, and although the PlayStation logo looks sleek and all, you can't see it once the memory drive is inside. Alright, with the references that I collected for inspiration, I started to quickly sketch what I had in mind. Soon after this, I fell for the nice looking honeycomb pattern, which I incorporated into the final sketch. Hey, this pattern's gonna look slick. Now, by this time, I already started to plan the dimensions, so I began to make this in 3D CAD. Here you can see the two separated sections for the drives, exactly like the sketches. Also, we have the cutouts for the cables that I closely measured earlier. Now all said and done, it was time to get the model ready for 3D printing. Yes sir, let's get this show on the road. Okay mandem, we got one Deegan problem, it's too thin, but no worries, it's an easy fix. Just increase the thickness and it should be sweet. Yes, light work, much better, and I use tree supports. Okay, let me grab this and start to pull the cable through here, all the way down into this hole. Yes, keep dragging it down. Damn, that fits perfectly. Push this down. Nice. And now for the second hard drive. Nice. A clean fit. Okay, it's that time. It's time to attach it to the PlayStation 5. Jeez, yes, it works. Haha, plug that in, my G. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. And there we have it, people. The dual memory drive holder for your PS5 to help store your memory expansion drives. Also, check out my Etsy store in the links below, where you can find the files available for normal, medium and large sizes all in one and cheap to download. Hi fans and fellow designers, don't forget to like and subscribe for exciting content. And if you want to support me, donate by clicking on the links to help me make new entertaining projects for you.